What are some practical ways to increase click-through rate on your Amazon PPC ads? You're going to increase click-through rate by targeting. Ensure that whatever you target is highly relevant for your product. I'll give you an example. Discovery campaign, when it comes down to automatic match, if a loose match, the click-through rate can be way lower than an exact match. If you know this, you will know that for discovery campaigns, the click-through rate is going to be lower no matter what I do. You cannot really optimize further besides negating more and ensuring that you're going to come out for the correct targeting, right? That's the first thing. The targeting type that you're using is going to help you increase your click-through rate. The second thing is going to be placement. So it really depends on which placement is your ad going to show up. But we're seeing on our end, usually top of search has the highest click-through rate. Now, for top of search to have the highest click-through rate, if you would be still running loose match campaigns, that's something that I'm not recommending, just because you're going to get a lot of clicks without conversion. The ones that are going to convert, it might convert on top of search. But for that, what I would recommend is instead focus on the campaigns that are already more exact, either exact match, phrase match, something that is closer to whatever the outcome you want it to be. That is also a quick way for you to increase your click-through rate. Third thing is going to be negation. We touched when it comes to negation. Negation could help with click-through rate. And we're talking strictly in PPC related topics. We're not touching base at all when it comes down to creative. Next thing that can increase click-through rate, the ad type. So sponsored product ads are going to get lower click-through rate than sponsored video ads, simply because dynamic ads catch quicker eyeballs than static ads. So that is one way for you to increase your click-through rate, moving more campaigns into sponsored brand video campaigns. The next thing what can increase also your click-through rate, for example, if you have a campaign where you have multiple targets, it's going to also lower your click-through rate, ensuring that out of those multiple targets, if you have an automatic campaign where all the 4 ad types, close match, loose match, substitutes, complements, are active, for some of them, click-through rate might be lower, for others higher. So simply by pausing the ones that are not bringing you the best outcome, that can also increase your click-through rate. If you have multiple products within one campaign and you see that some products are outperforming the other products, pausing the products that are not performing as well and creating their own campaign and letting them run can increase your click-through rate. So I think we went through at least 5 or 6 tips, tricks, techniques that you could increase your click-through rate. Images, you can also increase your click-through rate. The way how they increase your click-through rate is you're going to make sure that you're going to check out your competition and see whatever they are using, whoever generates the most income, usually the most revenue, they have usually better strategies when it comes down to the main images. So one way to increase your click-through rate is going to be through your main image or through your creative, right? So the main image in this case is going to be one of the ways. For example, if I'm showcasing the pink body mist coconut cream, if I'm going to place this product as is, if I'm going to place, for example, coconut next to it, whoever is going to see this image without even reading the text, they are going to click in their mind that there's a coconut next to it, might be this product, it smells like a coconut, right? So that could be one trick that is going to increase your click-through rate. Another tip here, when it comes down to creatives and increasing your click-through rate, it can be through the creatives that you're using for sponsored brand video, sponsored display ads. That basically is a lifestyle image of someone using your product. That also can increase click-through rate versus you just have your product, right? So that is also something you could do to increase your click-through rate. Now you have a full list of ways to increase click-through rate. Let me know which one you tried.